Hey guys, it's me. Welcome back to my channel. And we have another review that I bought on Amazon. I'm just going to do this real quick and pull up my Amazon account so I can get you the prices on everything. Okay, so let's see. Which ones do I want to do first? Because I've got, oh my gosh, let's see. Oh, sorry, guys. I am so not ready, and it's still the morning. All right. So, we've got, like, we've got quite a lot. So, let's start with, okay. Let's start with the Beauty Glaze. Okay. Now, let's start with the 10 Diamond Shining Incandescent Metallic from Inspired Capital L. Oh, shoot. I dropped one. Okay. Oh, this is how we do it. Now I have to place them back in order. So that's one. There are 10 of these. So if you're wondering, you know, what I'm doing right now, I'm putting them back in order because, yeah, you know, that's how it goes. On this channel, I can never have anything work correctly. So there are 10 shades in this. And I decided to pick up all 10 shades. Okay. Which are right in front of me. We're going to go through them one by one. Because, yeah, people are wondering what I, have gotten over time. We're also going to do another video of the other stuff that's hanging up. But I wanted you guys to see these. This is what number 1 looks like. And this is, it doesn't have a name to it. Okay. And I've actually taken the cellophane off of all of them. They were individually wrapped in cellophane. So, yeah, they're Veroni. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's probably backwards. Again, it happens. But that's Veroni. And getting these open is not easy with nails. But I'm going to be placing them over here on my makeup thing. So I guess it's okay. And this is a goldy color. And this came from, the seller is Inspired Capital L. These are 10 colors, Diamond Shining Incandescent, Mermaid Metallic, Shimmer Nude, color liquid lipsticks, lip glosses. They're a set of 1 to 10. I paid $20.99 for these, and they went down 3 seconds later, not even 3 seconds, to $18.99 on sale. I contacted the company and let them know. I went, hey, I just placed an order, and it went, all of a sudden the prices dropped. What the heck? So, yeah, the seller refunded me, the money that is the difference between the $20.99 and the $18.99. So that's a good thing. But yeah, this is number 1, and it is a goldy color. It's a golden nudie color. So that's the first one. And I'm going to be reaching over to the side because that's where they're going. At least some of these colors. This would be number 2. And of course, I'm destroying the packages. I don't like destroying packages, but this is number 2. We are not opening probably 1 or 2 of them, but this is number 2, and this is more of a fuchsia red. And then number 3, these are not easy to open, guys. So, yeah, bear with me as I open them. Apparently, nothing is easy with nails as you think it is. So, yeah. And this one is more of a pinky, peachy purple. It's got glitter in it. They all do. I can't really tell, and it's just inside and out. The next one is a number 4 we're on. This one actually opened pretty well, so maybe I should open them from the opposite side. This is more of a fuchsia, a pure fuchsia red. Oh, that is so pretty. I think we're going to keep that one out to swatch for you guys. The next one, some of these open that way and some of them don't. What? This one I didn't open. This is the blue because it's got the cellophane on it. And it is so hard to open these with the cellophane. And I'm trying so hard to do this for you guys. But, yeah. Okay, I got it open. Finally. I had to take the cellophane off of it. Like I said, each one is individually wrapped. This is a purpley blue. And these are either toppers for lips, liquid lipsticks. You can use them as highlighters. Then we have my favorite, which I used for a test with, and that is a metallic with lots of glitter, like coppery color. And I'm going to need apparently bigger space for these because I've got a whole ton of these. I seriously have a whole ton of these. All 10 of them. This one is a silvery, bluey, metallic color. I have to put that right there next to my coffee cup because, yeah, it's just not going to have enough room. That was number 6. 2, 4, 6, 7. This one's number 8. Yes. Getting it open is a pain. Number 8 is another coppery goldy color. That's number 8. Number 9. Apparently, I'm still insisting on trying to open these at the top. And this is a pure gold color, which I'm probably going to use for the center of the lip. And then number 10 is more of a peachy red gold. And I wish you guys could see the, the peach and stuff like that, but it's really not showing up on camera right. I don't know why, but it has gold flecks in it, and it's gold and like a peachy, red, pinky, pretty mauve, light mauve color, I should say. But now we're going to do, I've got a mess on my desk now. I don't do messes well. Okay. Now we're going to check this out. Now I did wear the one that we had open. It was number 6 or 7, and I did wear it, and I do have to say that, they put them as a lip gloss. They're not really a lip gloss. They're a liquid lipstick. I don't know if they know the difference between a liquid lipstick and a gloss or a lip gloss. Now, these do, with a wear time test for up to, I would say 5 or 6 hours, but once you get into that color where you decide that you're going to wear it and you start eating, and I mean eating to where you're eating oily stuff, they just come off. Other than that, these are super comfortable. I've never heard of the company before, so yeah. I didn't realize that they were, as metallic-y, as metallic-y as they are. We know I like metallics. We all know I like metallics. But when I saw a mermaid, I'm like, ooh, yeah, gotta try them. So, yeah. Now, like I said, these are $18.99. Okay, be careful because when you order from Amazon, you guys know how it is. 1 minute it's one, and 1 minute it's next. I like these. They are a little sticky until they dry down, and then they don't transfer. I don't know if they transfer when they're sticky. No, they don't. There's my blue bottle. Mwah. No, they do not transfer, even though it's a little sticky because it has dried down quite a lot. So yeah, there's nothing on my fingers, guys. Seriously. So yeah, that's the good part. And you know, I have to have me some reds. I like fuchsia. I like mauves. I like dark wine colors. So these, I am actually going to be using a crap ton of these. I am going to be taking some of the golds and using them for like under the brow, spotlight center of the eyes. But yeah, I like these. I really do. And the price is right. For 10 of them, 1 to 10, come on. They do sell them individually on AliExpress if you wanted to go get them there. They are sold individually. But, hey, who's going to complain, right? $18.99, guys. Seriously, go check them out. Go pick some up. They are worth it. No transfer. I mean, I drank coffee yesterday. My Mountain Dew ice. I drank my core water. Didn't come off on my coffee cup. Didn't come off on my core water bottle, as you saw. It didn't come off on my Mountain Dew can, but it does come off with oil, so be very careful with that. And I will see you guys in the next video. Hey, this is a 10-star review. You can't get any better than that. Wear time until I ate oils. It was still there. Guys, you know I lick my lips all the time. It was there the whole time. Just the whole time. So, with that said, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Be good to each other. Hey, pick up some liquid lipsticks. You never know what you'll find. See you guys.